Buongiorno paesani! Allora, sono fuori, pigliate di sole, mi stai abbronzando alla piscina. I'm taking a bit of sun by the pool, trying to tan. And I was thinking of a Sicilian word that I want to teach you today. And the word is shirare. What does it mean? It means to tear. In Italian, we say strappare. It's to tear. Tear a piece of paper, tear a piece of cloth. Shira una pezza, shira la carta. Strappa la carta, strappa lo straccio. So that's the word, that's the meaning. And well, it's a beautiful day. I'm trying to take it all in because winters in Canada are very harsh, very cold. So I'm not complaining about the heat. I love the heat. And on another note, I want to give my positive vibes to everyone out there who's going through a hard time, who's going through a difficult time. Life is not easy, but good friends and positive vibes make it better. And always remember that nothing lasts forever, and that if you're in a dark tunnel, keep going because the light's right ahead. So stay strong, stay positive, and keep on laughing and learning with me, Big Mama Siciliana, and subscribe to Italiani di Montreal e Amici on the YouTube channel. And as always, ci vediamo presto! Salutiamo!